Okay, so today we have a lock which we don't have any keys for, but we have these keys and we can make them fit that lock. So we'll show you how to first of all take the lock apart and make the keys fit the lock. So we need to take that out and then remove the clip. You need a blank key and a shim. So shim here, very fine piece of stainless steel. Basically pushing the shim in and out and slowly removing the key. We find the shear point of each pin. Sometimes it goes really easily, sometimes not quite so easy. So now we've found the shear point and put a piece of plastic in there and just to hold the other top pins. Now you can see the bottom pins are all there, so that's actually the shape of the original key. But we're going to use a new key and using these pins here, key it up to this key. So just find the right size pins, too small. Small. Last one. So you can see they all line up nice and flat along the top there. So now we just put it back in there. Now our key turns our lock. Squeeze a bit of lube in there. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.